In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add LUTs in CapCut PC, step by step, so you can give your videos a professional color grade in just a few minutes. Whether you're using creative LUTs for a cinematic look or conversion LUTs for log footage, this tutorial will help you import them, apply them properly, and fine-tune the intensity so your final result looks clean and polished. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and load up your project. If you haven't imported your footage yet, go to the Media tab in the top left corner and click Import. Select the video file you want to edit from your computer, then bring it into CapCut. Once your media is imported, drag and drop your video clip down onto the timeline so you can start working on it. This is important because the LUT needs something on the timeline to be applied to. Now that your video is ready, it's time to import your custom LUT files. Look at the top left menu panel and click on the Adjustment tab. Inside that area, find the LUT option in the left side submenu. This is where CapCut lets you manage and use LUTs for color grading. After that, click the blue Import button. A file browser window will open, and from there, select the custom LUT files stored on your computer. These are usually files like .cube, depending on the LUT format you downloaded or created. Once you've selected them, click Open, and CapCut will bring them into your project. After your LUTs are imported, you're ready to apply them to your timeline. There are actually two different ways to do this, and the best method depends on the type of footage you're editing and the look you want to achieve. The first method is to create an adjustment layer, which is usually the best choice for creative LUTs. This gives you more flexibility because the LUT can affect multiple clips underneath it. To do this, hover over your imported LUT in the top left panel, then drag and drop it directly onto the timeline above your video clip. You'll want to place it on a layer above the footage so the color effect can sit on top of the entire section you want to grade. Next, stretch the edges of that layer so it covers the exact duration of the footage you want to apply the LUT to. This is a great workflow if you want the same cinematic style across a whole section of your edit. The second method is to apply the LUT directly to a clip, which is especially useful for log footage or conversion LUTs. For this, click on the specific video clip in the timeline that you want to edit. Then look at the top right Properties panel and choose Adjustment, then Basic. Scroll down until you see the LUT option. Check the box next to LUT, then use the drop-down menu to choose the imported file you want to use. This method applies the color transform directly to the selected clip, which is ideal when you want more precise control over one specific shot. Once the LUT is applied, the final step is to fine-tune the strength. Click either the applied LUT layer or the video clip, depending on the method you used. Then go to the right side panel and find the intensity slider. If the look feels too strong, drag the slider left to reduce the effect. If you want a richer, more dramatic grade, move it to the right to increase the intensity. The goal is to make the LUT enhance your video without overpowering it. A small adjustment here can make a huge difference in how professional your footage looks. And that's it. Now you know how to add LUTs in CapCut PC, import them properly, apply them with either an adjustment layer or directly to a clip, and control the intensity for the perfect finish. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more CapCut editing tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.